Hello, I am Shivam Kumarta. I am currently studying in first year in AIML. My PRN is 23070126165 and my batch is AIML. Hello everyone, I am going to use Power BI to represent the given data visually. So we already have the text file. I have already loaded it. Since it will take lots of time, so I can tell you the steps. The first step is to click on get data. After clicking on get data, we have to search for the type of data we have. We have text file, so we will click on text and we will choose the file and click on open, and further we will load it. Since it will take lots of time, so I have already loaded it. Here you can see it. I have already plotted the graph as well. So to represent our data graphically, we need to refer to the question. So the first question is, how does the total order volume vary across the different weeks of the month? So to see the variation, the column chart is fine. So we will click on stacked column chart. After clicking on it, the data we have loaded has come here. So we will click on this and we can see the different column name we have inside the data. The column names are banking order 1, banking order 2 and so on. So for the representation of according to the question, on x-axis we have chosen week of the month, the first week, second week, third week and the fourth week. And on y-axis we have chosen the order. So to do this, we just need to click on this and drag it to the x-axis, and for the y-axis we can choose the target and drag it on y-axis. It is very simple to plot. So we plotted it and we can see the data here. The graph is highest on the second week of the month and is lowest on the first week of the month. So the first question has been solved graphically. The second question is, what is the distribution of orders throughout the days of the week? So we need to show the different distribution. So we have used a graph called clustered column chart, in which more number of columns can be placed in one place. So we have used it. On the x-axis we have used whatever said in the question, that is days of the week, and on y-axis we have used the sum of the orders of A, B, C, non-urgent order and urgent order. So we can see here the sum of non-urgent order is highest in all the cases. From Monday to Friday, the order of non-urgent is highest, and sum of the urgent order is somewhat lower than others, or it is similar to that of sum of order type B. So we can see here the distribution on different days. Now moving to the next question, we have which order type has the highest average daily demand. For the average, we need to calculate the average. So we will get to the modeling and click on new measure, and it will take some time but it will get loaded. Now we need to write the formula. For average, we can write average bracket and the column name. For example, we have banking order 1, order type A. So we write order type A, which will give us the average. We can see it. We did not give the name, so again average of anyone which we want, we can choose it. So here we have chosen and it has been created. So I had already done it, so we will remove it now. So we have removed it. I have already calculated the average of every orders. So the third question asks us to show the highest average daily demand. So the highest average daily demand is of non-urgent order, which can be seen here. For that we have plotted the graph on x-axis. We have used day of the weeks, Monday to Friday, and on y-axis all the orders that we have. We have total 5 orders: A, B, C, urgent and non-urgent. Moving to the fourth question, we have: is there any correlation? Is there Is there any correlation between the orders from the banking sector and orders from the traffic controller sector? So we have used here plot graph. So we have used it for different orders: banking order 1, 2 and 3. So we can see the relation. Yes, there is relation in few, but it is somewhat deviated. So for this we have used plot graph. Moving to the next question, we have: how do orders from the fiscal sector compare to the order from the banking sector? So the line graph is the best to compare. So we have used week of the month on x-axis and days of the week again on x-axis, and on y-axis we have used the different orders. So we can compare the fiscal and the banking. Here we can see the plot graph. Moving to the next, we have: what is the trend of total order over time? So over time, in the initial days it has increased, and after some time it has consolidated, and again it has reduced. In the fifth week it has been reduced. So moving to next, we have: are there any particular days over the week that consistently have high order volume? So we can see that yes, on Wednesday we have the high orders. For this we have used days of the weeks on x-axis and count of target on y-axis. Next we have: how does the distribution of urgent order compare to the non-urgent order throughout the days of the week? So we have used a clustered column chart in which we have put days of the week on x-axis and urgent and non-urgent order on y-axis. So we can see they are almost same on every day. Moving to the next, we have: are there any noticeable patterns or traits in the distribution of order types across different weeks of the month? Yes, we have. The order has been increasing in the from Monday to the Thursday, and it has been decreased on Friday. In every week of the month we can see it has increased up to Thursday. So yes, it is. So moving to the next, we have: what is the percentage contribution of each other type to the total order on average? So pie chart is the best. We have used it. So we can see the different percentage shown here. The first one is non-urgent, which is 29%. order type A 52, order type B 18%, order type C is 23%, and non-urgent order is 20%. So for this we have used the different orders in the values section. So in this way we can represent our data visually. Thank you.